Hey guys, this is my first picking video. In this video I'll be attempting to pick a Mul-T-Lock Interactive. This particular lock is in the NE14H Padlock body. I believe this is the most secure body of padlock Mul-T-Lock currently makes. You can see there's a protective covering over the keyway. If we have a look at the key, there's 5 telescopic pins and also the interactive element within the key. This lock is currently locked. I will unlock it. And unfortunately there's no easy way for me to gut this lock, so this will just be a picking video. For picks, I'm going to be using modified Goso picks, 2 flags. They're both left flags. This is the pick I'll be using for the outer pins. And then for the inner pins, I have a slightly thinner flagged pick. Tensioning, just a normal windshield wiper style tension wrench. So we're going to pick the outer pins first and then the inner pins. This lock tends to give really good feedback along with most Mul-T-Locks, so it's not quite as difficult as some other high security locks. Pin 2 is binding. Pin 2 is set, pin 1 is binding, pin 1 is set, but that caused pin 2 to drop. Pin 2 has been reset. Slowly releasing tension to get under pin 3. Pin 3 is set, but that caused pin 2 to drop. Pin 1 still feels good. Alright, I'm trying to get under pin 4. Okay, I released some tension and set pin 4, but that caused a few pins to drop. Okay, pin 2 seems to be dropping after every other pin I set, and pin 3 needed to be reset. Okay, I'm going to try to get under pin 5. Okay, I think pin 5 is good. I'm just going to check all the outer pins now. Okay, I think we might have all the outer pins set. Okay, this feels good. So I'm going to start working on the inner pins. If you look at the core, you'll see that we got some good rotation on the core. So using the thinner flagged pick for the inner pins. Okay, that was inner pin 2. We got a lot of rotation. It is possible to accidentally set inner pins when you're setting the outer pins. And I think we might have done that on a few of these pins. I released some tension and inner pin 1 dropped. Okay, we got inner pin 4, we got a lot of rotation on that. So I think we have inner pin 5 left, but I'm not certain. That's it. Okay, so it's inner pin 2 that is inner pin 2 is what we were held up on. The lock is picked. take this out one last time. So that was the Mul-T-Lock Interactive. If you like this video, let me know. I have a lot more locks that I could pick. I was thinking of maybe doing a video of the Acidesmo. I have the mini padlock version. But thanks for watching, guys, and have a nice day.